Good evening, Namaskar. Thank you for joining in for another exciting episode of Carlo.in presents Saturday Stardom Live. मैं सुजय गुप्ता आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ। लास्ट वीक हम लोग मिले मिस्टर आइवन रॉड्रिग्स से, जिनके साथ की हमने बहुत सारी बातें जाना, उनकी लाइफ की स्ट्रगल्स के बारे में, और उन्होंने भी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के बारे में बड़े सारे मैसेजेस दिए। हमारी आज की गेस्ट एक ऐसी एक्ट्रेस है जो एक वीजे भी है और एक सिंगर भी। दिल चाहता है, पेज 3, फैशन, लागा चुनरी में दाग जैसी अमेजिंग मूवीज करके उन्होंने हम सभी के दिल जीत लिए। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्लीज जॉइन मी इन वेलकमिंग द वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड टैलेंटेड सुचित्रा पिल्लाई। लेट्स कनेक्ट विद हर। सुचित्रा पिल्लाई, हाउ आर यू? थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग on our show today with इतने सारे लोग आपका बहुत देर से इंतजार कर रहे थे। And how are you? What's happening these days? How's the new normal?
थैंक यू सुजय। मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि आज यहाँ पे आ गई हूँ सैटरडे स्टारडम लाइव पे, और बहुत सारे लोगों से मिल सकती हूँ इसके जरिए। लॉकडाउन का पूछो मत यार, सबके लिए बहुत ही अलग अलग था, लेकिन पहले तो 3 महीने आई वाज लाइक रियली यू नो आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू विद माय सेल्फ, क्योंकि मैं एक ऐसी लड़की हूँ जो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ करती रहती हूँ, हाइपर एक्टिव हूँ, मुझे काम करना अच्छा लगता है। एंड सो यू नो सिटिंग एट होम डूइंग घर का काम, ऑल ऑफ दैट वाज अ बिट न्यू टू मी फ्रैंकली, क्योंकि लॉकडाउन के एकदम पहले आई वाज बिजी विद 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स। तो यू नो सडनली वो स्विच ऑफ हो गया, और यू नो घर में बैठना 24/7 एंड यू नो गेटिंग यूज्ड टू द होल न्यू सिस्टम, तो वो थोड़ा सा इट टुक अ बिट ऑफ गेटिंग यूज्ड टू। लेकिन आई थिंक सब लोग के लिए इट वाज नेसेसरी, यू नो सुजय। दिस इट वाज मदर नेचर्स वे ऑफ ये कहना कि हेलो तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो अपनी जिंदगी को लेके, यू नो जस्ट सिट डाउन, रिलैक्स फॉर अ लिटिल बिट, और जो चीजें मैटर करती हैं अपनी लाइफ में, जस्ट व्हाई डोंट यू टेक अ लुक एट दैट फॉर अ लिटिल व्हाइल राइट नाउ। You know, सब लोग अपने अपने धुन में थे, everyone is just you know so busy with their work and other things. So this was a wake up call, I think, सबके लिए, which is good.
Fantastic. I mean, you are such a versatile, you know, you have such a versatile personality. You've done engineering, you've been a VJ, you've done modeling, you've been such a successful actress. You've covered almost all the areas. How was the experience?
Yeah, so you know, मैंने हमेशा ये अपने जहन में रखा है कि यू नो द एक्टिंग इटसेल्फ इज क्वाइट एन इनसिक्योर इंडस्ट्री, यू नो स्पेशली अगर आप फिल्म और टेलीविजन और सबके बारे में सोचते हो, तो कुछ ऐसे महीने होते हैं जब लगातार काम आता है, यू नो यू आर वर्किंग ऑल ऑफ द टाइम, और कुछ महीने होते हैं जब कुछ नहीं होता, यू नो, सो यू हैव टू हैव अ प्लान बी, यू नो। तो इसलिए मैंने हमेशा you know काफी अलग अलग चीजों में you know I've put my hand in many pies, whether it's comparing, whether it's VJing, whether it's RJing, theater में, you know film, television, web, all of that. I write, I sing, you know, तो वो सब it's all maybe part of the same kind of industry, but you know at least there is something else to do. Dubbing artist हूँ बहुत से फिल्म्स के लिए, you know English to Hindi films, तो you know doing all of that kind of keeps you busy. At least you know कि अगर ये नहीं है तो कुछ और है, you know. तो लोग मुझसे हमेशा पूछते रहते हैं कि why so many things सुची, और मैं उनको डायरेक्टली बात करती हूँ और बोलती हूँ why not so many things. जिंदगी तो एक ही है, yeah, you got to fill it with everything that you can.
I completely agree. आपने you did your graduation in particularly in electronics engineering. तो ये
तो वो तो मेरी साउथ इंडियन ब्रेन है, आई थिंक यार।
Okay, so I am a computers engineer as well. और लोग आप then you move to arts and theater, मतलब अगर ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का ही चल रहा होता तो where would you see yourself now?
You know, I always thought that if I continued working as an engineer, I definitely wouldn't have been working as an engineer जो उधर बैठ के कोई PCB डिजाइन कर रही है. I would have been in the other side of it, you know, the marketing, the you know that side of the job. But मैं ऐसे frankly मैं बोल रही हूँ कि ये South Indian genes है जो, you know, मुझे physics अच्छा लगता था, maths अच्छा लगता था, तो that's how I kind of got the marks. I got into engineering, I did it. लेकिन I was not the type to say कि मुझे I want to study further as an engineer ये वो. And then of course मैं England चली गई. My first marriage, I got married soon after engineering, और तभी मैं England चली गई और तभी ये सब शुरू हुआ. You know, by fluke, all of this acting and everything started over there. So I just took it, you know, one day at a time. जो कुछ भी हुआ बिना planning, but touch wood, I got lucky, and you know, I managed to do all the things that I really love to do.
Wow. So what's your most challenging role as far as the Bollywood and the movies that you've done?
Movies के पहले I think what's coming to mind straight away is web series में जो recently मैंने बेताल में किया था Netflix पे. You know, I was very much part of the horror angle of it, and it was very eerie for me to play a character like that, जो मैंने कभी पहले किया नहीं था. और ये कैरेक्टर ऐसा है कि कुछ चिल्लम चिल्ली नहीं था. You know, you had to say a lot with your eyes, you had to scare people a lot with your eyes, and just be very very eerie and I think I achieved that क्योंकि response बहुत ही अच्छा था और लोग, मेरे दोस्त लोग भी मुझे फोन करके कह रहे थे कि my God, certain scenes of yours तुम कुछ बोल भी नहीं रहे हो, but I was really really scared. So that was nice, but you know, to find the character there was interesting as well, because it's always more difficult जब आपके पास dialogue नहीं है, or you know, you have to just show it in the face, and you have to show a presence. You show your presence without having to say anything. So that was challenging as far as web is concerned. और फिल्मों में I think for me it's a very less known film. कर्कश करके एक फिल्म मैंने किया था जो कमाल सडाना ने डायरेक्ट किया था. It was with अनूप सोनी, जो लोग आर्ट हाउस फिल्म के ब्रैकेट में शायद डालेंगे उनको, but it didn't really get commercial release, लेकिन festivals में गया था. For me to play a very deglamorized गांव की लड़की who is under the thumb of her very male chauvinistic husband, and how she empowers herself despite her shortcomings, despite whatever's happened to her, how she empowers herself to have one-upmanship on her husband, as well as, you know, empowering herself. So that was a very interesting character for me to play. But, you know, and it was the language was Avdi, you know, so it was not even just normal Hindi. So the challenges were that, to, you know, be true to the character, one, you know, without the mask of the makeup and everything, to know that you just go out there in front of the camera, jaise lag rahe ho, waise lag rahe ho, you know, and be confident about it, you know, that kind of thing. Also, it was the first time I did a love scene. I mean, very aesthetically shot love scene in the film. But I mean, you know, it was so beautifully done, but it was so out there and in your face that people did sit up and take notice. In fact, kisi ne kaha tha, there was a review which said, in the history of the Hindi film industry, I don't think any actress has approached a love scene the way Suchitra Pillai has, which was a very big compliment for me, because it was, ye jo kehte hain, titillation nahi tha. There was no exposure per se, but everything was again expression. Everything was face, and everything was, you know, a few of the actions that one was doing, and so that was challenging movie-wise. दूसरे पिक्चरों में तो, you know, I keep asking my directors कि क्यों आप लोग मुझे, you know, typecast करते रहते हो ऐसे, you know, as the bitchy wife or as the bitchy girlfriend. दिल चाहता है मैं थप्पड़ मार रही हूँ, you know, fashion में मैं bitchy wife हूँ प्रियंका के साथ. When I had that scene, you know, मधुर भंडारकर ने अच्छा कहा था when I asked him. He said, I said, you've put me in so many movies, Satta, Page 3, Fashion, but all these characters have one, you know, angle to them. Correct. तो वो कहता है कि सुची क्या है ना, कि तू वैसे दिखती नहीं है, तो जब कैरेक्टर ऐसा है ना तो थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट हो जाता है. Now, how could I argue with that logic? But yeah, so, and even my TV serials, you know, The Bad Mother-in-Law, Be-Intiham, The Bad Masi, Swabhiman, Abhi, the, you know, again, the bad mom in Bebaki, but most of the time they kind of put me in that bracket. But what I like is बहुत सारे layers होते हैं. The characters that I choose, they may be in the same vein, but they have different layers, you know. अगर एक character manipulative है, तो दूसरा manipulative नहीं है, लेकिन she's bad, but she's not manipulative. You know, all the roles that I've got have been that way. And there have been directors like Pradeep Sarkar who gave me Michelle's role in Lagat Chunri Mein Daag. There was, you know, Dil Chahta Hai, of course, which is an all-time favorite as the girlfriend. Movies like Dast Vidanya, you know, I did a little bit in Fitur, but little things like that. So many other films that I've been part of. they were all very, very, very different and stuff that I really enjoyed doing. So I've been lucky.
Let's talk about दिल चाहता है. दिल चाहता है में एक बड़ा ही फेमस डायलॉग, मतलब लोग आपस में भी ये बोलने लगे, लेकिन मगर वो सुनो तो, right? So you've been a dominating girlfriend. Real life में ऐसे कुछ है या मतलब उल्टा है, रिवर्स है?
नहीं, actually I'm not, मैं हमेशा लोगों को कहती रहती हूँ, because guys would come up to me and say, thank God we don't have a girlfriend like you. I said, अरे, you don't even know me. What do you mean, thank God? I said, yeah, but Priya's character was a toughie, definitely. And the girls would say, we wish we can become like you. I said, yeah, if you knew how I really am in my relationships, then you wouldn't want to be like me. I'm quite a softie, frankly speaking. So that was not real to life at all. मैंने कभी थप्पड़ नहीं मारा है किसी को, but poor Saif को 3 थप्पड़ मिले थे. It was live, it was real, and it was real.
You would remember those slaps so live.
But that movie has like, तीन slaps थे. I mean, I was, of course, I was a little concerned. मैंने फरहान को बोला था कि, are you sure? I mean, don't we have to do this? वो slap, जैसे, face के सामने and you move, that. He said, no, slap him. चलो ठीक है.
चलो भाई, आपको तैयार करते हैं.
Yeah. So that was good. Great experiences, all of them. Really, really good experiences.
You talked about Farhan also. You've acted in theatre, movie, web series. So as per you, is there any difference in protocol that is being followed or has been followed? Yeah, सबका direction का format is different. And which one do you like?
बहुत ही अलग है. Yeah. For me, the biggest adrenaline rush हमेशा सुझे it would be theatre. Yes, for any actor per se. Yeah. It is your true test as an actor. आप स्टेज पे जाते हो, या तो आपका ऑडियंस आपको ताली देते हैं या फिर गाली देते हैं, one of the two. So you don't need to wait for a review, you don't need to wait for somebody's opinion written down. सब आपको दिखाई देता है on their faces, in the audience in front of you. So theatre gives me the biggest buzz, लेकिन पैसे के मामले में, of course, that's not the real case. So that's why you can't really depend on theatre. But they're all very, very different. Very different. I mean, जो theatre के acting हम लोग करते हैं, voice modulation, throwing of the voice, etc. वो बिल्कुल ही, it's not the same when you're doing a TV serial or when you're doing a movie, because everything is so close up and everything is all right here, So you don't need to do big expressions and you don't need to shout, You even if you're talking to someone there in a TV serial, it would still be at a certain volume as opposed to really throwing your voice when you're on a stage. So it's all very, very different and very interesting, for any actor to kind of go through all of these mediums. It's very, very interesting. So to switch from, one medium to another, बहुत ही interesting होता है.
तो बट ये आजकल जैसे अभी कुछ ही टाइम पहले इंडिया में अवेयरनेस शुरू हो गई OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स की, एंड एकदम से लॉकडाउन आ गया जहां सारे सिनेमा बंद हो गए, मूवीज वगैरह, और मूवीज स्टार्टेड रिलीजिंग ऑन OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स. यू थिंक OTT विल टेक ओवर सिनेमा?
Yes.
It will?
I think so. I think so. I don't know about takeover. बातें चल रही है कि theatres are going to open up at 50% capacity, etc. The theatre will always have, going to a movie theatre or going to a theatre to watch a play will always have its own charm. वो तो हमेशा, it's not going to be comparable to anything else. लेकिन I have to admit that the OTT platforms are definitely here to stay and stay in a big way. Frankly, ये lockdown was pretty good for me क्योंकि मेरे 4 releases हुए थे OTT platforms पे during the lockdown. तो किसी ने मुझे लॉकडाउन क्वीन बुलाया यार. I was like, अरे वाह, not bad यार. So I had 2 releases on Netflix. Betal and Masaba, and 2 releases on Alt Balaji, कहने को हम सफर है and Bebaki. So it's been good for me. It's been good for me, and I love the OTT platforms and the work there क्योंकि finite होता है, कि ये शुरू अभी है, end अभी है, and you can take on new work. You can plan your life ahead. Daily soaps का वही problem होता है. You have to give 20-22 days in a month. तो दूसरा जो लाइफ है, it kind of it's a standstill then. So that is what but I think 100% OTT platforms कहीं नहीं जा रहे हैं और बहुत ही अच्छा काम मिल रहा है बहुत से लोगों को. That is one big advantage. हम actors के लिए we're always looking for new work. There's so many actors who were really worried about the state of things कि काम मिलेगा या नहीं. And thanks to OTT platforms, all of the channels, हम सबको there's work for everybody, touchwood suddenly. And interesting work क्योंकि डायरेक्टर्स एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे सेंसस का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, you know, they can actually put out there. And I'm not talking about only, you know, jo dikhate hain, you know, the vocabulary or anything. The ideas also that they use. Yeah.
No,
so it's become very interesting.
Rooted work जो कभी शायद mainstream movies में नहीं आता था, वो भी आजकल audience को दिखने को मिल रहा है. I'm sure you'll agree.
जी हाँ, जरूर. Yes, of course.
And वैसे just wanted to ask a personal question. You are into so many things. How do you keep this professional, personal life balance? मतलब what is the kind of support the family does? इतना सारा कुछ आप करते हो.
I have to say, the biggest support. I have a 12-and-a-half-year-old daughter. The biggest support has always been my husband, Lars. He's Danish. He's from Denmark. He lives here. And luckily for me, he's a consultant, so he works from home. He's a water technology consultant. और वो कुछ फिल्में भी करता है on and off. He's a good-looking man. So he did Jungli with Vidyut Jamwal. He was the main villain. He did the Carlsberg ad with Saif Ali Khan. You know, so he does.
You married a Danish citizen. India में कोई पसंद नहीं आया.
अरे पहला वाला तो इंडियन ही था यार. The first one was in India. I went and lived in London. But you know, I think if I have to say a little bit about that, people from abroad, they let you just be yourself. You know, ऐसा कोई पाबंदी नहीं लगाते हैं. They don't want you to change yourself for themselves or for the family around them or anything like that. You're appreciated exactly the way you are. Not to say that my ex-husband changed me at all, like that, wanted to change me, not at all. God bless him. He was fantastic, but that just didn't work out. But my biggest support has been my husband, I would have to say, because after having a baby, I had a baby late. So suddenly काम बहुत आने लगा. International projects. I had 2 Hollywood projects which I did all when Anika was a little girl. So one was a film called The Valley, which I had to go to California to shoot. The other was another film for 20th Century Fox, The Other Side of the Door, which was shot here. Lekin all this meant, traveling, being out of town, being out of the house, all of the time. And I was confident knowing that Lars was there. You know, he was hands-on dad right from day one. And so that would be my biggest support, I would have to say. It goes without saying that जहाँ पे मैं खड़ी हूँ या बैठी हूँ is thanks to him, because otherwise it would have been really, really tough. There's a lot of time management जो करना पड़ता है, frankly speaking, लोगों को when you're trying to juggle things. But then us women, we are super goddesses. तो कर लेते हैं.
I know. I completely agree with you on that. And also the kind of fitness schedule also, you try to keep that fitness schedule of yours as well. That we see. Then how do you, मतलब बहुत ही आपको juggling
fitness schedule.
क्यों?
Fitness schedule, please. Don't even talk to me about fitness. I don't know how I am the way I am. I am just really lucky, thank God. You ask any of my friends. This is universal. I challenge you to ask anybody of my friends who know me whether I've ever dieted in my life, whether I've ever, exercise. I only used to do yoga for a few years. बहुत साल हो गए. I have not done it yet. लेकिन अभी तक effects तो अभी भी है.
Oh, nice.
But yoga has been the thing that really I really liked. It was something that was good for me. I really want to get back into it. वो discipline थोड़ा वापस आना थोड़ा जरूरी है. But I know it's good for me and I know I need to get back to it. But I'm not a fitness freak at all. Gym तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं. Running, walking, nothing. But I'm very lucky. Metabolism शायद मेरा बहुत ही high है. So which is why. Yeah.
Whatever. Acha, there's a quick question that is coming up. Big Boss season 8 में you were seen as a guest in one of the shows, and in an interview you said कि
that's right.
Big Boss is not my cup of tea. Had it been offered to you, any specific reason behind that?
I've been offered quite a few times Big Boss. I went in for that as a guest because Diandra, a very close friend of mine, she was in the house at that time. So that's when I was chosen to go in to see it. But why I say it's not my cup of tea is because, I'm not a confrontational person. Mm-hmm. Even if there are things, even if there are problems, etc., मैं अपने ही style में चीजों को सुधारती हूँ. I don't like to make a big shusha about it, which is what Big Boss is all about. It's a great show for people to watch, etc. लेकिन उनको मसाला हमेशा चाहिए. They need somebody to, instigate कि थोड़ा इधर से चुगली लगाओ, उधर से चुगली लगाओ. I'm not at all that type of person. And इधर का उधर मैं बिल्कुल नहीं करती हूँ. And, a lot of the times I know quite a few people in every season who are in the house. This season I know Gauhar only right now, but normally, so I wouldn't want to spoil, you know, my relationships with my friends, etc., just for the sake of money or just for the sake of the fame that Big Boss gives you.
True that. वो और मुझे लगता है कि वो बाहर आने के बाद I'm sure 100% कहीं ना कहीं Big Boss की बातें बाहर उठती हैं. So that doesn't.
हाँ, जरूर, of course. I mean, after so many months, you know, कहीं ना कहीं तो affect हो जाता है ना लोगों को. And words once said, you know, सुजय, मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, words once said वापस नहीं ला सकते. जो जैसे भी हो, अगर इफेक्ट के लिए बोलते हो, you know, you want to create a furore, you want to make yourself feel good in front of other people. Whatever words you say out of your mouth, you cannot take them back, no matter what. You say, oh, I take my words back, but they're not, you can't. And that's what, you know, a series like this, a show like this, that's the main thing, you know, it's live and you can't take those words back, and you can't hurt people. Yeah, मजे में जो, yeah, मजे में कुछ कह जाते हैं.
कोई भी चीज ऐसी बोल दें आप, और वो ना फिर वो सोशल मीडिया और मीडिया के विशेष सर्कल में ना वो बस घूमती चली जाती है सालों तक. Exactly. You know, and you might say it very innocently, but जो meaning निकाल देते हैं just for masala, you know, that you don't have control over that. So, you know, I'm not part of all of that rigmarole. I don't want to be. You worked in so many movies and web series. कोई बढ़िया अच्छी सी memory हमारे साथ share करिए. Now people are joining in left, right and center. I want them to know some good, funny, humorous memory, probably on Dil Chahta Hai or Fashion or any set that you had while shooting.
हाँ, Dil Chahta Hai was, I mean, as I said, बहुत ही, you know, full of fun. I have to tell you, there was one incident, Dimple Kapadia, you know, she was in the film, and हम लोग जब shoot करते थे, there was always one AD, one assistant director जो हमारे लिए, you know, allotted था, and जब हमें बुलाया गया था set पे, this AD would come and say, okay, ready, and all, and they'd say, oh, Suchitra is walking, you know, and they would take us to the set. ऐसे डिम्पल की बारी आई तो she just decided to have a little bit of fun. ये AD जो है नई की, and she was walking down the corridor and she heard the AD saying to Farhan, sir, Dimple man's walking. And Dimple just stopped in the corridor like that. She stopped like that and she said, sorry, what did you say? She said, ma'am, I said Dimple ma'am is walking. She said, you will right now tell everybody, Dimple does not walk, she glides. Dimple ma'am is gliding. So, yeah, this poor girl, she didn't know whether to say it, whether Farhan would get angry that side or whether Dimple would get angry this side. How much we were laughing. Then later on, she realized that it was a joke. So, you know, it was great fun working on this movie. You know, with all of them, Amir, Saif, Akshay. Akshay was the moody one. So, हमेशा सुबह को लोग पूछते थे, अक्षय का मूड कैसा है? Akshay ka mood kaisa hai? Should we say hello or should we not say? You know, but great fun. DCH, that was you know, one experience there. Then every film actually has had some chulbuli si you know, story per se, which I have been part of or not been part of, but you know, all movies or things that I've been part of have generally मेरे से ही आता है क्योंकि मैं comedy queen हूँ on the set. Always I'm the one who's always making jokes and making people laugh. And you know, जब Sing India Sing कर रही थी, ये musical जो मैं कर रही थी, there were 20-something-year-old actors in it, and one of them, she came up to me and she said, I just have to tell you, she says, I'm 25, but you have more energy at 48 than you know, I have at 25. How is that possible? And you know, it's all here, yaar, Sujay. You know, I'm 50 now. I just turned 50. 50 साल की हो गई हूँ, half a century. Yay! And very proud of it.
Okay, you're not 50, right? Don't.
I'm 50. I'm 50.
Saying lies.
नहीं. I've never been one to lie about my age. लोग कहते रहते हैं, you're an actor, अरे बोलो ना, you don't look it यार, तो बोलो ना. I say no, I don't look it. That's why it's even more fun to say that I'm 50. Absolutely. Because I don't look it.
Absolutely, I agree. So, Suchitra, we have a small segment called a one word, one line answer. I'll ask you a set of quick questions where you can answer them in a word or a line maximum. Are you ready for it?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It starts now. Favorite holiday spot?
Bali.
Okay. We got to know that you are a hardcore non-vegetarian person. Favorite non-vegetarian dish?
Ooh, South Indian beef fry.
Wow. Invisibility or super strength?
Invisibility or?
Super strength.
Invisibility.
Yeah, I know, I can see that. One thing that calms you down when you are absolutely angry.
My cat.
Oh,
Loki. Definitely. He's a very calming influence.
What's his
And
name?
he knows Loki, the god of mischief. Loki.
Wow.
But yeah. But he's a very calming influence. और वो हमेशा he gauges me. He knows when I'm upset or anything like that. So he knows, and he'll come and he'll sit next to me. So he's definitely a calming influence for sure.
Okay. 3 things which you cannot live without.
Well, I can't live without my family. That's my husband and my daughter. I can't live without, cliche, but my phone. I can't live without love.
Oh, wow. Fantastic. Okay. Saturday night out with girlfriends or a quiet dinner with family?
I try to have the dinner with the family first and then go out with the girlfriends.
How diplomatic. You've answered.
But I have to say, Sujay, my husband has been great that way. He knows that I have tons of friends, tons of girlfriends, and we give each other that space, He can hang out with his friends when he wants, I can. And then we do things together where everyone, and they all, get along really well. So it works okay for us that way, But I love girl time as well. I love my girl time when I get to spend, an evening with only the girls and sit and chat about everything. And you don't have to worry about, घर का खाना कैसा चल रहा है, ये चल रहा है, वो चल रहा है. You don't have to worry about other things. That's great as well.
Follow-up question is, who is the gossip queen of the group?
Who's the gossip queen of my group? Ooh, good one. I'd have to say, we don't really gossip. Bitchy gossip तो बिल्कुल नहीं करते हैं. None of my friends, we're not like that. It's a very live and let live kind of a scenario with all of us. Most of my friends are very non-judgmental. So ऐसे हंसी मजाक.
What about the industry? Who do you think is the gossip queen?
Gossip queen in the industry. It used to be Tabassum. फूल के लिए है गुलशन.
सही है, solid.
Got you there.
Okay. Next question. Your favorite car?
My Tata cars. I have a Nano and I have a Nexon. Yeah.
Beautiful. I am a super fan of Tata cars as well. So
but my favoriteest car has always been the Porsche 911, which my daughter says she will eventually buy for me when she grows up. So let's see.
Let's keep waiting and let's.
Boodi godi lal lagam. I'll be driving a Porsche with my grey hair.
So that's the again. You just said ki it's all here. It's all here.
It's all here.
Obviously, you can drive a Porsche.
It's all here. Yeah.
Whatever age you are.
Yeah, absolutely. I agree.
Next question. Are women complicated?
Yes. Most definitely. Because each woman has so many layers to her, and you will see that no two women are alike. Men, you'll find many similarities between, A and B, whether it's like a foreigner and an Indian or whatever, but there will be many similarities. But a woman, what goes on over here, my God, it takes a hell of a lot to know exactly what's going on over here all the time, for sure.
Okay. Last question of this segment. Your favorite song, which you can hum any number of times. And you have to sing it.
Of late, there's definitely been one. It's just stuck in my brain. फिर ले आया दिल मजबूर क्या कीजे रास ना रहना दूर क्या कीजे दिल कह रहा है उसे मुकम्मल कर दिया वो जो अधूरी बात बाकी है वो जो अधूरी रात बाकी है. That's the one that's on my mind all the time.
Excellent. And that is actually one of my favorite songs as well. So this was the end of our one word, one line answer. कितने खूबसूरती से आपने इतना प्यारा गाना गाया. People loved it. It's one of my favorite songs as well. A few more questions before we go on to the end of the show. You are a very strong and bold woman. What suggestions you have, or what changes do you want to make in the society? जैसे इतना क्राइम बढ़ता जा रहा है women के against, अभी भी कुछ हाथरस केस भी आया है अभी, and it's very painful and deeply hurting.
Yes.
What do you want to tell the not just the men, everybody, also the women? What do they need to do, or probably there should be a change in the law or the society? What suggestions do you have?
No, so basically, I think, a lot of changes definitely need to be made, that goes without saying, Sujay. There is but the how to get to, living in Mumbai, living in the capital city, in the metropolitan cities, it's not a problem. You can get your voice heard. When it comes to the rural areas, which is where all of the problems are, double fold compared to here, that's what's important. Now, they have a certain mindset. Yeah, I've always believed they have a certain mindset. They have grown up like that. I say overnight, they are not going to change their views. They still have to deal with the same sasuma and the same father-in-law and the same brother-in-law and the same husband and the same kind of people in the panchayat. They have to deal with those same people, despite us going and saying what we want to say. What can be changed given these particular situations of crime against women, I think, is little things like self-defense.
Absolutely.
Now that is every woman's own right, I think, and they have not been given that opportunity, which is what my husband also, he very much wants to do something to that effect. He's a black belt in karate, he's a teacher level, and he always talks about that, just to give free classes to women, go to the villages and no matter what, teach them just the little things that they can have to save themselves. Because if everybody around is not saving them, not passing the right laws, not doing the right things by them, the best way is at least protect yourself for that moment. Yeah, and that is very, very, it's very important. I mean, that's why I keep telling my daughter, she needs to learn also self-defense techniques from my husband. It's very, very important. It gives you so much of confidence. So even if you're not getting the other support from the outside, you at least know that, God forbid, physically, if something happens to you, I can handle it then and there. फिर दूसरा सब देखा जाएगा बाद में. लेकिन अगर आपको self defense मालूम है, just learn the basics. I think just learn the basics. What you know will 100% work in a scenario like that, and that in the rural areas, I think, would really, really make a huge difference.
Absolutely, I completely agree with you. Instead of making these, I think government should empower the gram panchayats also to get people to get their daughters trained in self-defense, and
yes,
make a huge difference nationally,
and to their confidence, to their own self-esteem, to their own self-confidence. I don't have to take any shit from anybody, Sujay. That gives so much power to a woman. It makes you feel so independent and so indestructible, and that's incomparable to anything else, which I think every woman deserves to have that kind of power, frankly.
Right. और अभी ये जो इतना सारा कुछ ये NCB वगैरह का चल रहा है, what is your take on this? You've done a movie called Fashion, right? And Fashion's story revolves around a lot of things way back in that time.
Yeah, to do with
happening right now as well. Yeah. The big bad word of sex, drugs, rock and roll, all of that. Yeah, what people say. Well, right now, I think what's happening is सबके नाम आते जा रहे हैं, and is it true? Is there some truth to it, or are these all just media hypes created?
No. there's a lot of media hype that has been created. I have to admit, this is also maybe to, you know, divert attention to more important things, frankly.
Yeah.
I think our country has so many more important things going on right now. Rather not to put down anything about you know, the case that's going on, anything, absolutely not. I'm totally for Sushant, and you know, I hope he gets justice. But I'm just saying, sometimes it's a bit too much. Yeah, I think it's a bit too much. Hota raha hai yaar, whatever, you know, if they're talking about whatever is the scene that's going on, whether it's Bollywood or, you know, the other the party scene, etc. It's been there for years. Suddenly, why is it that for 3-4 months at a stretch, only this, lagatar? You know, people know about so many people who are constantly smoking all of the time in front of other people, if you're talking about smoking up, you know, but nothing is being done about that. So I think there's a lot of element of diversion from certain other things that are going on, which, you know, there is that. If you're intelligent enough, you will know that, you know, this is not what you should be concentrating your attention on. There's a hell of a lot more in our country which needs a lot more attention from us, frankly speaking. Let this take its course, no doubt about it. Let it take its course, let justice be served, and I hope to God that justice is served in this case. I mean, what a fantastic human being we lost in Sushant. But I think, yes, a little bit too much is being made about it.
So thank
you. You know, the whole party angle of it, yes.
So before we wrap up the show, any messages for the upcoming and you know, talented newcomers who are trying to make their mark in your industry?
Yes. Now there's, as I said, luckily for the thanks to the OTT platforms, काम काफी बढ़ गया है. There's a lot more opportunities for people, which is great. You know, our industry is a very insecure industry, जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी कहा, और यहाँ पे rejection बहुत होता है. You know, you have to keep your ego at home. That's one thing I will always maintain, Sujay. You know, people come up to me and they say, you are so approachable, Suchitra. You've been in the industry for over 25 years. But, you know, people can write to me. They can pick up the phone and call, and I do speak to them. And if somebody wants a photograph, I will stand and take that photograph, because you have to realize what you are today.
Even my team gave. Ki ma'am ne to 1 second mein, you know, when they were.
Yeah, because because it is because of these people that you are who you are today, Sujay. You know, when you get the fame and the fortune, a lot of people वो भूल जाते हैं कि इन्हीं लोगों की वजह से आप जो हैं अभी हैं. You know, if they were not watching your shows, if they were not watching your movies, आप कौन होते? Where would the fame and recognition be? You wouldn't have the followers. You wouldn't have anybody watching your stuff. You would be nobody. So how dare you turn around and put yourself up on a pedestal और कि मैं so and so हूँ और आप लोग यहाँ पे हैं? It's definitely not. That is not in my vocabulary at all. Appreciate what you have. Appreciate the opportunities that you get. But you have to work hard. You know, I can sit here and say that I didn't have to struggle and things just started happening for me. But when I work my 120%, Sujay, you know, and everybody in the industry knows that I do not give them trouble. I do not act like a diva. And that's about keeping ego at home. You know, लोग मुझसे पूछते रहते हैं, यार, you've been in the industry for so long, थोड़ा सा दीवापन दिखाओ यार, थोड़ा सा, you know, then you get more money for the stuff that you do, and you'll get, people will take you more seriously. I say, but that's not me. And that's not what my work is about. I love my job. I love going in front of the camera. I love standing on that stage. So why all these other trappings? You know, keep ego at home always. Do not think yourself any less to pick up the phone and call somebody and say, I need work. I promise you this, and I'm telling you God's truth. I still today, when there is no work, and this is, I'm talking about just before Bebaki, etc., I call up casting directors and I say, hey, I'm around. Is there anything happening? Give me an audition. I still do it 25 years later without any ego.
Wow.
And you won't believe the number of projects. I have 3 projects lined up because I made those 3 phone calls. Yeah, after Bebaki, I have 3 projects lined up, and only because I made those 3 phone calls. And I just called up and said, Arey yaar, you're not seeing me for this. I heard people are testing for it. What's happened to my audition? I got the audition. I got the part. So This is how you have to really stick at it. You know, you stick at it. You believe in yourself. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Do not let people dictate to you कि नहीं यार, नहीं कर सकती है यार, what's wrong with you, नहीं कर पाएगी. Do not ever hear that sentence. नहीं कर पाएगी और कर पाएगा. Don't. Because you know inside what you're capable of. Give yourself a good amount of time in this industry when you come in, knowing that it does take time. You know, you could be you touch wood, lucky like me, and things happen for you. But there are a lot for, you know, who have to struggle and go through the rigmarole. But if you keep at it, somewhere or the other, send out that message to the universe, Sujay. Send out that message to the universe saying that this is what I was meant to do. This is all that I want to be. Thank you, universe, for giving it to me. Then the universe can't do anything. It has to give it to you. So that's how it works.
Absolutely. It is, you put it so well. Just don't give up. Believe in yourself. Have that confidence.
Don't give up. Yeah.
There is never too late to just pick up a phone and talk to someone. Ki boss.
Yes, talk to somebody. There are people out there who want to help. I keep telling people, if you want, information in anything, I can help. So chitrapillai@readifmail.com is my ID. Please send me an email. And, if there's any questions that you want to ask, anything that I can help you with, phone numbers, etc., please send me an email. And I would be more than happy to help, because this is how it is. You shouldn't have a crab mentality of only doing things for yourself and not letting others climb up.
Absolutely.
This crab mentality of, that is what is not nice in this industry, sometimes. You don't want to see somebody getting better than you. I don't believe in that. Jo aapke naseeb mein likha hai, if it's written for you, it will come to you and nobody else will get that part. So, you don't have to worry about it. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. So on that note, thank you so much, Chitra, for being with us, being with the audiences. They've loved it. There are so many comments flooding in. And all those who are watching right now, Chitra Pillai herself on a live interview has given her email ID. You have questions, throw an email and I'm 100% sure.
Please do. I will answer. I don't have any PR or any managers or secretaries or anything. All my life I never have. But I will answer. It might take a few days, but I will answer back. And if I can help, I'd be more than happy to.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for joining in today, Suchitra.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Entirely. Had a great time. Thank you so much.
All right. Bye-bye. So this was Suchitra Pillai, जिनके साथ की हमने बहुत सारी मजेदार बातें. आज के लिए इतना ही. अगले हफ्ते सैटरडे को 8 बजे एक और सेलिब्रिटी को लेके आऊंगा जिनके बारे में हम खूब सारी बातें जानेंगे. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ वीडियो का लिंक जरूर शेयर करें और हाँ, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. टिल देन, आई होप एंड आई प्रे दैट यू स्टे सेफ एंड प्रोटेक्टेड. टिल देन, नमस्कार.